TV land, y'all know what it is. Man, I'm about to go ahead and try to get this engine bay all, well, somewhat cleaned up. Send it off to the paint shop. Actually, speaking of the paint shop, y'all go follow my boy Sprayway Customs. He got a lot of good tips on there and how to do videos, man. He do a lot of legit stuff on there. And I wish I was out there in Alabama, because I have him spray this up for me. But I'm in Oklahoma, so I gotta have somebody down here spray it. But y'all be sure to check his page out, man. He got a lot of good how-to videos on there, some legit paint jobs that he doing. But yeah, back to this. I'm just about to try to remove as much as I can to make it easier on the painter, so you don't have to worry about removing so much stuff and a lot of taping. So I'm probably gonna get this out of here. Yeah, I might take this off. Remove the windshield wiper, motor. I may just leave these on here. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna remove that. Oh, somebody leaving water up in here? That's disrespecting my old school. Yeah, so that's probably about it, man. Move the coolant, reserve tank, the AC dryer. That's about it, man. Really ain't too much more, man. Y'all let me know if y'all know somebody that got a AC box, or what else I could probably do with that. Should I just fiberglass it back together, or what? Let me go and put this on this tripod. Like I said, I don't want to bore y'all, because I've been here forever trying to remove all this. So I'm trying to speed up the process. All right. I decided to move the hinge for the hoods too as well. Make it a little more easier to access. Window wiper motor go. Coolant. Reserve tank. I removed the battery tray too as well. So as you can see, only thing that had to be tucked, man, is mainly the wires. Move a lot of these wires around. I'll probably get this, move this out the way too. But yeah, that's about it right there. I don't know how far I really want to go back with painting. I'm gonna paint these. A cross member up there, but up here, I don't know where I really want to stop. Probably about way here. Leave all this one color black, paint all this blue. I don't know. I'll see once I get it up there. And I'll power wash and degrease it one good time too. But for y'all, for all my new followers, I'll give y'all just a quick rundown of the car real quick. I know I've been getting a lot of new subs. Appreciate y'all too as well. But this is the, if y'all ain't seen none of my old videos, 85 Chevy Coupe, rear disc, y'all can see those, QA1 coilovers. Oh no, could y'all see that? There they go. Show y'all the insides real quick. Y'all can see those door panels. I still need to get my seats done, you know, but I ain't rushing it. Actually, seats look real good though. Digi dash. Headliner real good too. I still need to get my dash redone. All cracked up. All new front calipers up front, brake lines, shocks. Y'all see that? Sump. See that old motor right here, I pulled out the 305. And that was just a piece of ish. So that's why I went and pulled that out of there. Got a Tierra grip, I pulled that off. Actually, I may just leave the Tierra grill off for next summer, man. I don't even want to kill the game like this in this box. I'm gonna just ride around like that. No grill. I'm gonna just leave the Tierra grill right back there. But that's it, man. I'm out of here.